students of class 5. Today we're going to take up a new lesson, lesson 3, poetry. The name of the poem is Downhill on a Bicycle, and this poem has been written by Henry Charles Beeching. Now, downhill on a bicycle, I will try and read the poem. Please follow, and then we'll try to understand each line and each stanza as we go. With lifted feet, hands still, I am poised and down the hill, dart with heedful mind, the air goes by in a wind. Swifter and yet more swift, till the heart with a mighty lift makes the lungs laugh, the throat cry. O bird, sea bird, I fly. Is this your joy? O bird, then I, though a boy, for a golden moment, share your feathery life in air. That is your poem, Downhill on a Bicycle, written by Henry Charles Beeching. Now, as always, before we understand the poem, let's first learn about the author. Henry Charles Beeching is a British clergyman, an author and also a poet, and he was also the Dean of Norwich from 1911 till his death in 1919. He was born on 15th May 1859 at Sussex, England. Now, coming to the poem, this poem was published in 1895 and it consists of 3 stanzas, and it is about a thrilling adventure or experience when a child rides a bicycle down the hill. He tells us how it felt to be speeding down with his feet off the paddles and his hands firm and steady on the bar or the handle of the cycle. The wind is on his face and he feels like a bird in flight. Coming to the first stanza, with lifted feet, hands still, I am poised and down the hill dart with heedful mind. The air goes by in a wind. In the first stanza, the speaker says that as he's just about to ride down a hill is basically a slanted area on a bicycle, his feet are lifted. Lifted means they are raised, as you can see in the picture here, and they are not on the paddle of the bicycle, but his hands, if you look at his hands, they are still firmly and steadily holding on to the bar of the bicycle. And he is poised. His body is all balanced, it's all composed. He's not moving around, because if he does, then it's very obvious that it can cause an accident, and therefore his body is all calm and composed and poised. Now, until he starts riding downhill, and when he does, he says that he starts off down the hill just like a dart. Here is a picture of a dart. Now, you must have understood that a dart is basically a small pointed missile that can be thrown or fired. Now, you do understand the speed of that. So this boy is saying that while he is riding down that hill, he is riding swiftly. He is riding very fast, but with a heedful mind. He is being very careful and very attentive, because if he does not maintain balance, like I said, he might fall and cause an accident. And while so, he feels that the air is moving really fast. No zong cycle akiana na tol phaten leo a hat hun he do chana chitabang mga chu speaker pau zong hin asai da na hi cycle akiana kahin tol so achun hui zong a hat ne ti he. Now, in the second stanza, swifter and yet more swift, till the heart with a mighty lift makes the lungs laugh, the throat cry. O bird, sea bird, I fly. Now, the speaker says that he's moving swifter. Swifter meaning more swift, or rather faster, and even faster. Swifter and yet more swift. Na cycle. And he continues riding downhill till his heart is lifted. Heart lifted till a deep na. Athazong nom kiyong ki cha. So heart is lifted, is full of excitement, happy, and also tensed at the same time. So when he does this, this makes his lungs laugh. So his whole body is full of happiness, and his throat shout, "Oh bird, see bird, I fly," as if the speaker is talking to the birds flying nearby and trying to show them that he can now fly just like them. That is the second stanza. Moving on to the third stanza. In the third stanza, is this your joy? O bird, then I, though a boy, for a golden moment share your feathery life in air. Here the speaker continues to talk to the imaginary birds. Birds also, umayong hindi ilaw na, alunga aga agyel. So, and he asks that, is this the way you feel when you fly in the sky? Are you this happy when you fly? No zong tua nup kasa abangahi, nup nasa azivam na len phat ten leo. Do you feel the same way like I feel now? That's what he's trying to ask the birds flying. And he further says that even though he is just a boy, he is having a golden moment here, and he wants to share the feathery life. Feathery life means the life of a feathered bird. Asha bird ho ko na. And he wants to share the life of the birds, and he also wants to fly freely in the air, just like the birds do when they fly in the air. They're all free, nobody is going to stop them. So he also feels that when he is riding the bicycle down the hill, he is just like a bird who is very free. So the speaker feels that he is having the best time of his life, as he feels like he is flying just like a bird as he rides down a hill on a bicycle. Now that is your poem, Downhill on a Bicycle by Henry Charles Beeching. Here is your assignment. In exercise A, please give the meanings of the words here. First is poised. Poised tile ata sa kitup cha na sa lo le le lo na. Chuko poised. Swift. Swift tile gang hat na hat ho swift. Heatful mind tile lunglim ta chuko heatful mind. English ana zi diu he oh. Number 4 ahi feathery life tile vatsa ho asha niya aleng lele ahin ho chuko feathery life oh. These are the 4 words. You have to give meanings of these words. And in exercise B, I want you all to write about your experience when you first rode a bicycle. 5th standard students, I'm sure you all have your own bicycle, and if not, you must have once or twice rode somebody else's, some of your friends or your siblings', and therefore I want you all to write what was your experience when you first rode a bicycle. This will be for 2 marks, and the rest of exercise A for 8 marks. So that is your home assignment. Kindly do it in time, and you will be soon asked to submit it to the school. Have a nice day. Thank you.